Hi everyone, today topic is simple present tense. Other name of simple present tense is indefinite present tense because there is no definite usage. There are number of usages for simple present tense. Once we observe here, usage 1. The sun rises in the east. It refers to universal fact or natural fact. Example 2. Bats fly at night. This is general truth. Generally the bats fly at night only. Example 3. They wake up at 5 a.m. That is habitual action. She wakes up at 6 a.m. That is a habitual action. And he goes to temple on Thursday. That is present custom. According to customs and tradition, according to their religion, that is custom only. Understand? Fifth one, water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. This is a scientific proof. Water boils at 100 degrees centigrade or Celsius. It refers to scientific proof. Next, cell consists number of organelles. Scientific essays or scientific studies books mostly is in simple present tense only, like physics, chemistry, botany and zoology. Like that, the subject which are related to group subject, especially scientific groups, scientific studies, those matters should be in simple present tense only, almost all. Next, Virat catches the ball. It is a running commentary. While the matching is going on, the commentary is going on by especially or mostly simple present tense only. Next, India wins victory. It refers to newspaper headline. Actually, the incident happened previous day. Next day morning, in the early morning, you may see the newspaper. The headline should be in simple present tense only. Like, India wins victory. Ninth one. Everyone attends to school daily. Announcement in schools or public sector or railway station like that. Mostly it is in simple present tense only. Not only this, you may use imperative sentence. All imperative sentence approximately to simple present tense. Understand? And Rama kills Ravana. The epics are narrative stories. You may use in simple present tense. Generally, those epics are completed while we are saying to others. Okay, that should be understand purpose. It is like a realistic level. We are saying like narrative stories. Okay. Next, practice makes a man perfect. Almost proverbs are in simple present tense only. Another example, luck loves hard work also. Luck loves hard work. Last example, here comes the bus. Using with here and there, you may apply it in simple present tense. Understand? For example, we are waiting for bus for some time. We are getting vexed or irritation because we waited so much time. Finally, we decided to from that place. So one of person is said, here comes the bus. In this way we are using simple present tense usages. Okay. One say universal truth, general truth, habitual action, present custom, scientific proof, scientific content, running commentary, newspaper headline, announcement, narrative stories, proverbs, exclamatory sentences. Now we have to discuss structures and examples of simple present tense. Okay, now listen. Now structure of simple present tense. Once you look at the board, they play cricket. They is subject, play verb, cricket object. He plays cricket. She goes to school. The baby cries. Once you concentrate on the verb, play without adding s or es or ies. Here play takes s. Here go takes es. Here cry takes ies. Okay. See, according to personal pronouns, if there is third person singular number, he, she, it, generally the pronouns takes to the verb s or es or ies. S, es, ies. Whenever you use combination of third person singular number and verb, these letters should be added. Examples are given. Now once we concentrate here, they subject, play verb, here s is added, es is added, ies is added. So that subject plus v1, s or es or ies plus object. Otherwise subject plus v1 or v5 object. v5 means s adding verb. Understand? When we use s, es, ies, if there is third person singular number, verb takes s or es or ies. Understand? Now when we use s or ies or es, once see, note 1, ending letters of verb, the verb should be takes es. For example, ending letters s or sh, ch, double s, x, o. For example, miss, misses, misses is correct. Okay, because third person singular number. He kisses or say kisses. He wishes. He catches. He vexes. Vexes means getting irritation with tiredness. Go, goes. He goes, not ego, according to simple present tense structure. Okay, listen again. Structure is subject plus v1, s, es, ies plus object. Third person singular number takes s or es or ies. When we use es or ies, es is used for ending letters of the verb s, sh, ch, double s, x, o. Some of the verbs generally takes ies, not for all. One see, cry, cries, dry, dries, fry, fries, it dries, the baby cries. But one see, they play. Here ies is not added, so that I am writing here not all, only some situations. Understand? Now we are going to take more examples according to kinds of sentences and some of the clue words for simple present tense. Understand? Now according to assertive sentence and interrogative sentence. See first example, I play cricket, affirmative sentence. I do not play cricket, negative sentence. When do you use do not? One say, I do, we do, they do, you do. If there is a negative sentence, you should apply not. I do not play, we do not play, they do not play, you do not play. Now, third one. She does not play cricket. What is the reason? Here do not is written, does not is written. Third person singular number, easy to take, does not. Okay. Fourth one, interrogative sentence. Does he play cricket? Yes or no type question. It is also interrogative sentence. Why does she play cricket? This is also interrogative sentence. Start with question word. We may write interrogative come negative sentence also. For example, why does she not play cricket? Otherwise, why doesn't she play cricket? Understand? That is interrogative come negative sentence. Now, generally we are using clue words for examination purpose up to intermediate or passages in the school level. You may understand here, remind that generally, daily, every day, every month, every year, daily or frequently. Daily or frequently. Here daily written. For example, he dash go oblique goes to school daily. Which is correct answer is third person singular number takes goes. Understand? So that second one is right answer. Okay, here clue word is daily. In the sentence, in the blank sentence, if there is daily or generally every day like that, the sentence should be in simple present tense only. Example 2. They dash meet oblique meets every day. Every day is clue word. According to persons, this is third person plural number. So that first option is correct. Okay. These are the usages and examples for this simple present tense. I think you have understood. Thank you everyone.